Write a quadratic equation for the parabola shown. When we're writing equations, the best form to use is vertex form. So that is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. If you'll remember, the vertex, which is the lowest or highest point, is always the values h and k. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these numerical values from our graph and we're going to plug them into our formula for h and k. So that gives me y equals a parentheses x minus, the h value is -2. That'll be squared, plus our k value, which k in this case is -3. So I'm going to kind of rewrite this, cleaning up these plus and minus signs. I have y equals a times x plus 2 squared, and then a plus and a minus becomes -3. So we've almost have the equation, but there's one thing missing, and that is this a value. We've got to know the value of a, and to get that value you need another point. So if we look at our graph over here on the right, we've got the point 0.5. That is an x value and a y value. So we're going to take those two numbers, we'll plug them into our equation, and we'll solve it for a. Once we have our a, our h, and our k, we can write our final equation. So y is going to be 5. We don't know the a value. X is going to be 0 from our point. And we'll calculate. 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 2 squared is 4. So 4 times a is 4a minus 3 equals 5. You've got a two-step equation. You'll solve it for a. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. That gives me 8 equals 4a. I'll divide by 4. And a is equal to 2. So now I'm going to go back up to this original equation. I'm going to rewrite it, plugging in the value 2 for a, -2 for h, and -3 for k. So my final equation will be y equals 2 for the a, x, and I'm going to just go down here and go plus 2 squared minus 3. And that is the equation for this parabola right here.